Hey everybody, what's up? Brad Hussey here, and in this video I want to give you a really quick business tip. I get a lot of people asking this question or something along the lines of, should I learn new skills and sharpen my skills before I launch my business, or should I just start and learn as I go? Most people tend to lean towards learning their skills, honing their craft, and reading books and taking courses and things like that before they launch. But that's usually because they're afraid, and it's an excuse to validate their reasoning for not actually starting. Because we're afraid that if we start, and we have people who are actually in our funnel, fulfilling our funnel, and we have real paying clients who are expecting some sort of result from us, and then they find out for some reason that we're not actually good at what we do, or we don't have any skills, then they're going to see us as a fraud, they're going to be angry with us, and then our business will be dead in the water. But here's the deal. You're not starting a business where you don't know what you're doing. Yes, you should learn some skills, and you should have some basic level of skills that will allow you to serve your client and solve their problem. But don't use that as an excuse to not launch your business, because the reality is you will never know everything about your skill or craft that there is to know. That is an excuse that will keep you back from actually launching. So my suggestion is to just start. Just launch with what you have. The clients who you attract by connecting and by marketing and promoting and word of mouth are going to be the clients who are ready for you right now, and vice versa. You're not going to be attracting massive, huge clients with your elementary skills. So as you grow, so will your clients, and you will outgrow your old clients as well. So my suggestion is to use 80-20 in this case. 80% doing, 20% learning, because as you're doing, you will be learning, and that will be the most valuable learning that you will ever do, if this is making sense. So instead of 80% learning, 20% doing, flip that and just jump in with 2 feet, get started, and learn by doing. Don't learn by learning. Hope that makes sense. And yeah, cheers, good luck, and just launch your business.